friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's lesson is another finger exercise. We'll be using alternate picking and legato technique for this, and we'll do this over a backing track. The backing track was uploaded a couple of days ago, and there was a lesson using this backing track, so you can actually add, if you'd like, add this lesson to that, okay? I'll link both of those lessons in the comments as well, okay? So here we go with our lesson. Break down each one of these shapes. We'll show you what the shapes are, and then we'll go through the picking sequence afterwards. So I start here on a C note here. I have 1 3 5 1 3 5. So this is all done on the last two strings of our guitar, our high E and our B string. Okay, so 1 3 5 1 3 5. That's our C. Our D minor will be 3 5 6 3 5 7, sorry. I'm looking at the screen here. I'm not looking at my guitar. And then we'll have 5 6 8, and then 5 7 8, and that was over the E minor section of the backing track. Okay, and then we'll have 6 8 10 7 8 10. Okay, and then we're gonna have 8 10 12 8 10 12. That's a G note. And then we're going to have our 10 fret is played over the A minor chord in the backing track. We have 10, 12, 13, and then 10, 12, 13. And then we'll have our B diminished starting on our 12th fret. That's played over the backing track. So we'll have 12, 13, 15, 12, 13, 15. And then finally, we're going to end on C, which is 13, 15, 17, 13, 15, 17. Now, the sequence, it's the same as the scale sequence we were using to practice our scales. It's 8-note sequence. So I'm playing. Play those first 4 notes here. On my B string, I have 1, 3, 5, and I'll grab the 1 on the high E. Then I'll grab that 5 on the B and finish out the other 3 notes underneath, and that's my 8-note sequence. So once you get the sequence, you just apply it to each shape. Okay, it's pretty simple when you apply it to each shape after you do that. Okay, so now for the legato part, you're just going to pick the first note. And you're going to hammer on the next 2. And then you're going to do an upstroke, pick up on that note right here, okay? And then you got to do a downstroke on this note here. Then hit this again, and then do the legato, okay? So my pick will hit, for this shape to do this legato part, you can count how many times my pick actually hit the string. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I play 8 notes, but I only pick 4 of them, okay? Sorry. Okay, and then same thing here. Okay, and it works much better when you have distortion and sustain on your guitar for sure. So let's hear that one more time in the backing track, guys. watching. Hopefully this will help you with some dexterity and build some finger strength, and you can work on your legato and your alternate picking. Okay, so have fun practicing. We'll see you guys at the next video.